Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza with white bread. First, gather your ingredients. White bread slices, your favorite pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and any toppings you desire. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup easy. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process for your delicious, quick pizza. Now it's time to assemble your pizzas. Arrange the white bread slices in a single layer on your parchment-lined baking sheet. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce and spread it evenly over each slice of bread, leaving a small border for the crust. Then, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Don't be shy with the cheese. It's key to a great pizza. Once the cheese is on, it's time for your favorite toppings. Pepperoni, cooked sausage, mushrooms, or bell peppers all work wonderfully. Distribute them evenly over the cheese. Carefully place the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and the crust is golden brown. Remove from the oven and let cool for 2 minutes before enjoying. And there you have it. Your delicious, homemade white bread pizza is ready to enjoy. This recipe is incredibly versatile and perfect for a quick lunch, an after-school snack, or even a fun dinner. It's a fantastic way to satisfy those pizza cravings without much effort. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.